Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel again. This is Cloud Institution, the best cloud training institution in Bangalore. So today we are going to see another very important S3 interview question on AWS. Okay, so the question is going to be explain CORS. The cross origin resource sharing in the context of S3. Okay, so what is cross origin resource sharing in the context of S3? So this particular question can be asked in the interview in terms of replication. Okay, so how do you replicate so from one object from one bucket to another object in some other another bucket in some other regions. Okay, so for example, if you can see here, CORS, it's a cross origin resource sharing. Okay, so if you have a two if you have two origins, and if you wanted to share so the the contacts in the content in the one bucket to be able to share to another domain. Okay, so then this particular the particular option can be used. Okay, so what is CORS? The cross origin resource sharing is the context of Amazon S3 allows the client side web application in one domain to access the resources in a different domain. Okay, enabling you to build a rich client side application with the S3 and selectively the grant a cross origin access to your resources. Okay, for example, if you have two domains, so in a different origin. Okay, so you can enable the core rules to be able to access from one bucket to another bucket. So that's the content in the one bucket can be shared to some different origin itself. Okay, so where do you enable this particular feature in S3 bucket context? Okay, so here you can see here, so you can go to S3 buckets. I have two S3 buckets. If you want to enable cross origin, okay, so click on management. Okay, to go to the buckets and click on management. Here the replication rule is there. Okay, so what is replication rule is going to be is that so it can the the object in one bucket can be replicated in some other origins. Okay, so that is what it is. Okay, so if you want to create replication rule, first of all, we need to enable a bucket versioning. Okay, this is the default behavior of the replication. Okay, so if you want to replicate so this bucket content, so you need to enable a bucket versioning. Okay, so you can just enter all these things and you should be able to. So this is the very big steps, guys. So this is a huge steps, but you don't need to you don't need to do a practical things in order to answer this particular question in interview. But the interview may try to make you understand that so what is core rules and how it is used. Okay, you can also go through some of the steps in the internet. I'll try to post this particular concept in upcoming videos. Okay, for now we'll try to understand the basic question about CORS. The CORS is a cross origin resource sharing in the context of S3 allow client side web applications. So this particular the feature will be worked on based on HTTP headers. Okay, so it uses HTTP headers to share the content across origins and domains. Okay, so hope you understand this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and please stay tuned for us with us to to know more about the interview questions, and it will be very helpful for you to crack the interviews. Okay, so thank you so much, guys. Stay tuned.